Yep, there we go. Buy GBPUSD, sir. Boosh, beautiful. Stop loss just below 3.3 pip, ping tens. Oh boy.
Whoosh.
That was literally pinpoint accuracy. Look at that wonderful, beautiful mitigation. And off we go. Like the volume, we're moving fast, we're not just taking a shit. Where's my Asia at? Asia session, show yourself. Reveal yourself. So that'll be a 1 to 8.8. Oh, them SMT trader, them SMT sellers, their bums are twitching now. Oh boy. Smart money trader is like, but how? But it just, but it. So currently running at 1.688. So I've got about another few more pips to go. To be honest, just looking at this, it might be a good idea to take some profit off. But either way, just shy of 1 to 7 is not bad for a Thursday evening. Yeah, okay guys, so what we'll do, we'll come back on Saturday for some chart work stuff, and we'll leave that trade on. Profit's already taken, we'll leave the rest to run. Stop loss at break even, we cannot lose. Great day.